Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I will be covering page borders and page color. Now if you have Word 2010 like I do, even in 2024, you will find the page borders and page color button in the page layout tab. However, in Word 2013 you will find these two buttons in another tab called the Design tab. I'll put up a picture on the screen right now for the ribbon of Word 2013. So that you can see that there is a Design tab before the Page Layout tab, and that's where you'll find these two buttons. Now, page borders, very simple. Click on it, this window opens. Right now none is selected. You can select box, or even if none is selected and you choose another style from here, from the middle column. Let's suppose I choose this. This gets automatically selected to box. Then you can choose a color if you want to. If you want to keep it black, fine. Otherwise you can choose a color according to your requirements, your desires. And the width. Width is the thickness of the border. Let's choose the thickest 6 points. And you can click OK. Another thing with borders is you can add some art stuff like these strawberries or cherries, whatever they are, and other stuff like this. Just click on it and click OK. So that's how we apply page borders. You go to the page borders button, choose a style, choose a color, choose a thickness, and click OK. If you want an artistic look for your page borders, you can choose from here. Okay. Now, page colors. The page color button is simple. This will give your background, this will change the background color of your page. So if I choose this yellow, oh, that's too bright. If I choose light green, so that changes the whole page background to light green. And that's it for the rest of for this tutorial. And do practice this at home. Okay, take care. Bye bye.